Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you powerful spiritual direction to attract money instantly. So, family, this particular direction is for those people who always complain that they are not able to attract money. There are some people they are doing business and then money is not coming to them. And then also, there are some people when they are selling, nobody comes to buy. There are other people too, they will get the money, but the money will just vanish from them. They will not know what they have used the money for. All of a sudden, they will say that they do not know what they used the money for, but the money just disappeared. There are some people too, the moment they are paid, a trouble will come, like maybe they will be sick or their child will be sick, and then they use the money for drugs, and then they become back to poverty or they come to square zero. If you are such a person, this particular direction is for you. There are some people too, they'll be doing business and other people will be taking their money from them spiritually. So you see that, so there are some people they will be doing mobile money business and then all the time they will tell you money is disappearing mistrustly. So if you are such a person, kindly do this particular direction. So this direction is for everybody who wants to be wealthy. So this is very, very simple but effective direction. All that you need is that you get a coin. So the coin can be any currency at all. If you are able to also get an old currency coin, you can use it. If it is also a foreign currency coin, you can use it. Please, for this direction, you are not going to use this particular coin to buy anything. You are just going to use it to attract money into your life, into your account, into your business, into whatever you are doing. So all that you are supposed to do is that you get the coin and then you also get a white candle, only one white candle. And then you are also supposed to get any oil. So the oil can be palm oil, olive oil, or money drawing oil. When you go to those people who sell spiritual oils in the market, if you want to use the money drawing oil, you can get it easily from them. It is not expensive. So that is what we are going to use for this particular direction. And then also you are going to use a nail or a pin for this particular direction. So all that you do is that on a midnight, on the day that you were born, the particular midnight, that is when you are going to do this particular direction. So if you were born on Monday, kindly ensure that you do the direction on Sunday midnight. According to scriptures, there was darkness before God commanded light. So the every day, the night comes before the particular day. So kindly ensure that if you were born on Sunday, you do the direction on the midnight of Saturday. So that is what you are going to do. It is very preferable that you wash down and then you do this particular direction. Use some clean water to cleanse yourself. And then you wipe your body with a towel, you become clean. Then you get seated. Do this particular direction. So what that you are going to do is that if you have a carpet in your room, you sit on the carpet. Please, you are not going to sit down naked. Kindly ensure that you wear a nice, fine, clean garment. So you are going to sit down and then you are going to take a bowl. So the bowl should be metallic bowl or maybe any green bowl or a ceramic bowl. If you get a white ceramic bowl or a silver bowl, you can use it for this particular direction. So you get seated on the floor of your room in the midnight. And then what you are going to do is that you now place the coin into the bowl of water. So you are going to fetch clean water into the bowl and then you put the coin in. Then what you are going to say is that as water flows, so shall money flow into my account, into my life, into whatever I'm going to do always. So that is the prayer that you'll be praying. You say this several times. And then whatever religion that you belong to, you continue to say this and then you pray. So after this short prayer, what you are going to do is that you now take the candle and then you use the pin or nail to write your name on it. So you are going to write your full name on it. And then you now anoint the candle with the olive oil or the palm oil or the money drawing oil, the coconut oil or any oil that you have. You are going to anoint it. You are going to anoint it from the middle to the top and then from the middle to the bottom. So after anointing the candle, you now light the candle and then you now place the candle in front of you. Then you place the bowl containing the coin in the middle of you and then the candle. So the bowl will be in the middle of the candle and you. So you will now be looking into the water and then you continue to pray. You pray over the water, pray over the coin for God to use it as a medium to be attracting money into your life. What you are going to say is that you are attracting wealth effortlessly. Money comes into you or your account in expected and unexpected ways. So you continue to say this by the power of God. You command and decree and declare that money will come to you effortlessly. So you continue to pray for about 30 minutes. And then what you are going to do is that you take the coin, then you keep it inside your wallet or your bag or your pocket. But please kindly ensure that this money is not money you are going to use to buy anything. It is just there to be attracting money to you. That is why I said that if you get any old currency or maybe a foreign currency, that is better so that you are not going to use it to buy anything. It should be in your pocket. And then God is going to use it to protect your money and then also attract money to you so that no evil spirit can be eaten from your pocket so that you get money. But please kindly ensure that if you are not working, note that this is not going to attract money to you, even if you are not working or doing anything that will bring money. But it is for you to work. So if you are working, money will start coming to you. If you are a mason, a carpenter, or doing your own work, you see that a lot of customers will now come and look for you because your pocket can never run dry. It is going to ensure that your pocket is always with cash or your wallet or your bag. If you are such that you are doing mobile money business or you are doing any business and all the time your money vanishes mistrustly, kindly ensure that you do this particular direction. And then also, if you are a woman in your menstruation, kindly ensure that you do not do this particular direction. And then if you just had sex, please kindly ensure that you put some sea salt into water and then use it to wash down before you do this particular direction. Kindly ensure that you cleanse yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about how to lose weight and then burn belly fat naturally. We shall also be talking about spiritual directions to remove evil spirits and stuff. We have also talked about how to use spiritual candles to attract money, to attract love and stuff. So please, if you have not watched those videos, kindly ensure that you look at the description of this video and then click on it to watch those videos. There are a whole lot of things we can talk about. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel and then keep following the remedies on all the social media platforms. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.